In the new S-Class, remove the front door lining. Start at the cover strip of the armrest. Starting from the front, undo the cover strip with a pull-out hook. Then you can unclip the cover strip and carefully take it out. Release the catch hook of the switch pod and unclip the pod upwards out of the door lining. Do not disconnect the plug of the electrical cable. With a Torx 30, you can undo the first and second screw of the door lining. Now take out the warning lamp. Also with this connector, do not disconnect the electrical cable. Using the existing opening, unclip the door lining gently by hand by pulling firmly. Just use your hand. A plastic wedge would damage the door lining. Swing the door lining in slightly towards the vehicle and push it backwards out of the clip. Then unhook the Bowden cable and disconnect the electrical connectors of the speaker and the control unit. Note the document about electrical charge. The removal of the door lining is now complete. Upon reinstallation, be aware of the clip. If after the removal it's in the inner door panel, you must remove it and insert it in the door lining.